Corona vaccine controversy. There is a lot of controversy over vaccine, corona vaccine. It is obviously political and not of scientific or medical. COVID-19 pandemic was the worst human calamity in this century. Everybody has lost a near and dear one in this pandemic. Finding the solution was emergency in saving lives. It was clear at an early stage that the rapid development, distribution and administration of a vaccine to the global population would be the most effective approach. It was a difficult task. Fortunately, before the pandemic struck, we already knew the genomic and structural information of the virus. We knew the enemy we have to fight. We already had developed the flu and swine flu vaccines against same family of viruses. We had experience of rapidly developing such a vaccine. The adoption of continuous phase 1, 2, 3 trial strategy. This phrase, continuous stage 1, 2, 3 trial strategy, is into inverted comma. That is important to facilitate the early availability of the vaccine. There are many types of COVID-19 vaccines available in the market. The technology of manufacture differs. It is a scientist's job to select the best technology. It can be mRNA vaccine, adenovirus vector vaccine, or a protein vaccine, or inactivated whole cell virus vaccine, or monoclonal antibodies. Unless the vaccine satisfies the scientific safety and efficacy requirements, the regulatory authorities do not allow it to masses. Regulatory authorities are responsible enough to protect the interest of masses. COVID-19 vaccines in children. We are worried about children. Number of COVID-19 cases in children are less. That is true. Severity is less. That is also true. But we all have seen severe inflammatory response system, SIRS. SIRS children dying in front of our eyes. Those who die, unfortunately, die 100%. So statistics is not applicable for a child who is affected. Statistics is useful for public health strategy planning and not for personal protection. Vaccinating children will block the population transmission. Studies are being conducted and children should be covered with COVID vaccine. That goes without saying. COVID-19 vaccine is an orphan drug. Any vaccine is a drug administered to prevent illness. Any vaccine is a drug administered to prevent illness. Because of lack of enough published data, children cannot get the benefit of COVID-19 vaccine. And COVID-19 vaccine cannot get the patronage of child population as consumer. Such a drug is called as an orphan drug. COVID-19 vaccine is an orphan drug. Outstanding questions about COVID-19. Many questions are unanswered and outstanding. Answers are awaited. The time will give the answers. How long will vaccine protection last? Flu vaccine we have to give every year. Whether or not booster doses of vaccine will be required, it is not answered question as yet. Are these vaccines really safe? What level of immunity is needed for protection? Level of immunity, measuring level of immunity. Do vaccines protect against disease or infection or both? Do vaccines work for all the people we give vaccine? What are the implications of new mutant variants? All these questions will be answered in time to come, probably over few years. Nobody can answer them today, not even courts. We have to remember, this is a science, a pure modern science. Physics, chemistry and mathematics of vaccinology. I will repeat, physics, chemistry and mathematics of vaccinology. So COVID-19 vaccine is a scientific and medical problem. It should be discussed on that platform. It is not a political problem. The vaccine should not be linked to any country, company, religion or any political party. Vaccine should be linked with humanity, the science of protecting human lives. These are the fruits of scientific advance. Thank you.